to my channel. This is Maria and George. We are here in the Bahamas and we are going to a glass boat ride. So we can see the glass bottom boat ride, so we can see the creatures under the sea. So this is our boat, the bottom glass boat, where we can see underwater. Welcome aboard, guys. It was our ship over there, the Princess, Skyline Princess. Morning. Hi. That's the bottom. Water, more water.
We're gonna feed the fish.
Feed the fish. Pass it on.
Yeah?
Oh, boy. Oh. Hi, sorry. Go.
I got it.
It's big.
Yellowtail. Yeah, we're gonna feed the fish. See how many people drop them on
Hey, you can start throwing the bread, break the bread up and throw it overboard. Yeah, yellowtail over the side. Oh, there they are.
I took video to the best.
There's a stick bass. Did you see that? I only see them on the end of my hook. Stick bass? Yeah.
Wow. Georgie is feeding the fish. They're hungry.
Pretty good.
Did you enjoy feeding fish? Oh my god. Ooh. So guys, that was our experience in a glass bottom boat. And George, what did you say, babe?
I didn't realize that when it comes to an island, what designates an island is if it's over 10 miles in landmass. If it's under 10 but over 4, it's considered a key, and anything under 4 miles in radius landmass is considered a rock. So now I know.
Now I know. So what's your favorite part of our boating?
Feeding the fish, I thought, was the best part. That was pretty cool.
Feeding the fish. We love feeding the fish. Okay guys, if you also enjoyed feeding the fish, please do subscribe now and click the bell of notification so you'll be updated of all our adventures here in Bahamas. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. George have his shops here. George Bar and Grill. Can I get into your shop, babe?
It's VIP only.
Am I not a VIP?